Bizarre facts about butterflies. Butterflies might seem delicate and whimsical, but they harbor some of the strangest, creepiest, and most mind-boggling traits in the animal kingdom. Here are some bizarre facts about butterflies that might just change the way you see these fluttering creatures forever. 1. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Imagine if you could tell how a meal tasted just by stepping on it. Butterflies can. Their feet are lined with special sensors that allow them to taste leaves and surfaces to determine if they're suitable for laying eggs. 2. They drink blood, sweat, and tears. Forget just sipping nectar. Some butterflies have a dark side. Many species, including the aptly named vampire moth, are known to drink animal blood, while others suck up sweat, tears, and even decaying flesh to get much-needed minerals. This behavior is called mud puddling. 3. Some butterflies are masters of deception. The deadleaf butterfly, Calima inachus, has one of the best disguises in the natural world. When its wings are closed, it looks exactly like a dried, crumpled leaf complete with fake veins and mold spots. 4. They can remember their past lives. When a caterpillar goes into its chrysalis, it completely liquefies before transforming into a butterfly. You'd think this would wipe out all memory, but nope. Scientists found that butterflies retain memories from their caterpillar stage, meaning they remember things they learned before turning into goo. 5. Butterfly wings are completely transparent. Those dazzling colors? Just an optical illusion. Butterfly wings are made of thousands of tiny, colorless scales that reflect and refract light, creating their signature iridescent hues. 6. They can be cannibals. Some caterpillars will eat their own siblings if food is scarce. In fact, some species, like the monarch caterpillar, are known to attack and consume rival caterpillars to eliminate competition. Who knew butterflies had a Hunger Games side? 7. They navigate using the sun. Even on cloudy days, butterflies have an internal sun compass that allows them to navigate over long distances. Even when the sun is hidden, they can use ultraviolet light and subtle changes in polarized light to keep track of direction. 8. Their scales can make them vanish like ghosts. Ever seen a butterfly that seems to disappear mid-air? That's because their wings scatter light in a way that makes them hard to detect, even to predators like birds. 9. Some butterflies are toxic enough to kill. Butterflies like the monarch and pipevine swallowtail feed on toxic plants as caterpillars, storing the toxins in their bodies. If a predator eats them, they'll get violently ill or worse, die. Their bright colors are a warning. Eat me, and you'll regret it. 10. Butterflies have built-in antifreeze. Some butterflies, like the mourning cloak, can survive freezing temperatures by producing glycerol, a natural antifreeze that prevents ice crystals from forming in their bodies. 11. They can mimic deadly species, even if they're harmless. Some butterflies, like the viceroy, copy the warning colors of poisonous species, like the monarch, to trick predators into thinking they're toxic. This mimicry is called Bayesian mimicry, fancy way of saying, fake it till you make it. 12. Butterflies can see colors. We can't even imagine humans can see red, blue, and green light. But butterflies? They can detect ultraviolet light, which means the world looks completely different to them. Many flowers have UV patterns that guide butterflies straight to their nectar. 13. Some butterflies hibernate for months like tiny bears. While many butterflies migrate, others, like the small tortoiseshell, simply hide in tree bark, caves, or even houses, entering a state of dormancy until spring. 14. Butterflies have existed since the time of the dinosaurs. Fossil evidence suggests butterflies have been flitting around for at least 200 million years, meaning they might have even dodged T-Rex at some point. 15. A group of butterflies is called a kaleidoscope. When you see a fluttering mass of butterflies, it's not a swarm or a flock, it's a kaleidoscope. Fitting, right?